Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday, May 11th. It is time for math. And today we are going to continue with subtraction. Our target skill for today is I can subtract from multiples of 100 with 0 in the tens place. So boys and girls, that means you are going to be subtracting across zeros. So to get started, I am going to show you my dry erase board, and we are going to work through a problem together. So just pay attention, and then we will work on some problems together. I'll have you write them down. But the first problem is 500 take away 289. This is a multiple of 100, and if we look, there is a 0 in the ones place and a 0 in the tens place. There is nothing here. I also have the hundreds chart so that you can see. Let's put 500s on the place value chart so you can see why we have to regroup the way we do. So I have 500, I need 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. I put 100 in here. So if I come over to the ones place, can I take away 9? No, I can't. I need to regroup to the tens. I come to the tens place. Can I take away 8? No, I cannot. I have to come all the way to the hundreds place. And we have to regroup. That's right. So now we'll have 10 tens and the hundreds will go down to 4. So let me show you that over on the place value chart. So 100 is equal to 10 tens. Now let's look at the ones. Can I subtract 0? Can I take away 9 here when there are 0 ones? Can I? No, I have to. That's right, regroup. And now our 10 tens will go down to 9 tens. I need to take 1 and borrow it and change it, regroup it back into 10 ones. Now can I subtract? 10 take away 9. Do I have enough? Yes, I do. 10 take away 9 equals, that's right, 1. 9 take away 8. 4 and 4 is 8. That's right, it is 1. And 4 take away 2. That leaves me 2. So 500 take away 289 is 211. Be careful with this middle step. A lot of children just want to leave it at 10 tens, but can we do that? We can't because we are breaking it apart. We are borrowing it. That's where we get the 10 ones. Let's move on to problem 1. So boys and girls, please get out your sheet of paper and your pencil. Instead of switching back and forth between the share screen, I have the problems already written out on another dry erase board. So everybody write down 1 and circle it. This is your first problem. Make sure you leave space at the top because as you can see, we are going to have to show your work, show the regrouping, show the borrowing, and make sure it's nice and neat. Well, we don't have any ones, we don't have any tens. That's right, we have to start all the way to the hundreds. So we are going to regroup. That's right. We'll now have 10 tens and the hundreds will go down to 1. Can I subtract? 0 take away 3 is 7, right? Ah, thank you. We have to regroup. And the tens will go down to 9 because we're taking that 1 10 and making 10 ones. 10 take away 3. Can I subtract now? Yes. What does that equal? 7. That's correct. 9 take away 1. Very good. That's 8. And 1 take away 1. Yes, is 0. Very good, boys and girls. Let's move on to problem 2. So on your paper, write down 2 and circle it. So we know that this is problem 2. Oh, we don't have 0 in the ones place, 0 tens. We have to, that's right, regroup. So the 400s will go down to 300s, but we still don't have any ones. We have to regroup. And now our tens goes down to 9 tens. 10 take away 7. Yep, you're right, it's 3. We got related facts right here. 9 take away 4. That's right, it's 5. And 3 take away 2. Good, it is 1. Very good. Now I want you to move on to problem 3. So boys and girls, go ahead. I want you to try solving this one on your own. So write down, it's problem 3, so write down 3 and circle it. 600 take away 367. Please put the subtraction sign over to the left side. Line up your ones, your tens, your hundreds. It's very important, especially the children that are writing these down and sending your work to your teacher. It makes it a lot easier for us to correct if it's nice and neat. So we come all the way to the hundreds. We have to, again, that's right, we have to regroup. And the 6 goes down to 5. We still don't have any ones, so we are going to regroup. And the 10s now go down to 9. Make sure you write your regrouping right above in the place value chart, like the hundreds above the hundreds, the 9 right in the 9s place, or the 9s in the 10s place, to make it very neat. If you have to go back and fix your work, 10 take away 7, that's right, 3, 9 take away 6, 3, and 5 take away 3. That's right, it is 2. So be very careful, especially in the tens place. Remember, it has to go down to 9 because that's where we are getting those 10 ones. Now let's go back to our Nearpod slides. So boys and girls, are you ready? You had your pencil and paper. 200 take away 113 equals, yes, 87. 400 take away 247 equals, yes, 153. And 600 take away 367 equals, yes, 233. So boys and girls, if you cannot access Nearpod, please pause the video and write down your problems in vertical form. You have to rewrite the problems in vertical form. The subtraction sign comes clear over to the side, to the left, so that you can line up your ones, tens, and hundreds. These are the same problems that the children that do go on to Nearpod, you'll have a memory game. And when you come back through, the memory game will be here, but it's the exact same problems. Now we have an application problem. Remember, we have our little poster over to the left, so you need to read the problem. Let's read it together. Colleen put 27 fewer beads on her necklace than Jenny did. Colleen put on 46 beads. How many beads did Jenny put on her necklace? Let's think about that. So if Colleen has 46 beads, but she has fewer beads than Jenny, that means Jenny has, yes, more beads. So that means that you are going to, what operation? That is correct. You are going to add. So make sure you draw a picture, you write the equation, you solve it, you write a complete sentence to answer the first part of the two-part question. Now, if 16 beads fell off of Jenny's necklace, how many beads are still on it? That's right, you need your answer from part A to answer part B. If they fell off, that means they are gone. They were taken away. So what operation for part B? Okay, go ahead and finish it. Again, if you cannot access Nearpod, you're going to need to pause the video so you can see the rest of the problem. And yep, always go on to your favorite math website. We've got Prodigy, Math Seed, Zern, Freckle. Practice those facts, boys and girls. And how do you feel about subtracting across zeros today? Let us know. And here are our teaching standards that we're working on. And boys and girls, you're doing a great job. Bye-bye.